Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Intuit GoPayment tax tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Intuit GoPayment tax tools, start by locating the control panel on your computer. For Windows users, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. Once the control panel window opens, select Programs or Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, scroll down to find Intuit GoPayment. Click on Intuit GoPayment to highlight it. Now, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window and click on it. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to uninstall. Click Yes or OK to proceed with the uninstallation process. Follow any additional on-screen instructions, as they may vary. Once the uninstall process is complete, restart your computer to finalize the removal. For Mac users, start by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder menu, select Applications from the sidebar. Locate the Intuit GoPayment application in the Applications folder. Click and drag the application to the trash bin located on your dock. You may need to enter your administrator password to confirm the action. After moving it to the trash, right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. This will permanently remove Intuit GoPayment from your. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure that all components are fully uninstalled. You have successfully uninstalled Intuit GoPayment tax tools from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.